Welcome to Podcast Name, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of technology and innovation. I'm your host, Your Name, and today we're exploring a key player in the software development landscape, GitHub. You might have heard of it, but do you really know what it offers beyond a platform to host your code? Well, let's break it down. First up, GitHub isn't just about storing and sharing code. It's a powerhouse of features designed to streamline collaboration among developers. Think of it as a social network for programmers, where they can share insights and help each other solve problems. Isn't that interesting? I mean, how often do we find ourselves stuck on a coding issue and wish we had someone to turn to immediately? GitHub makes that possible by fostering a community of developers who can review each other's work and provide valuable feedback. Speaking of feedback, one of the standout features is code review. It's like having a supercharged set of eyes looking over your shoulder as you code. This not only helps catch bugs early on, but also encourages learning through collaboration. Imagine learning from the mistakes and successes of others. What a way to boost your skills. Then there's GitHub sponsors. This is an incredible initiative that shines a light on open source developers by allowing users to fund them directly. It's like a virtual tip jar for developers who contribute to projects that benefit us all. What do you think about that? Isn't it great that we can support the very creators behind the tools we use every day? And let's not forget about Actions, a feature that automates workflows. Picture this: instead of manually running tests every time you push new code, you could set up an automated process that does it for you. This not only saves time, but also keeps your codebase healthy and bug-free. Who doesn't want more efficiency in their workflow, right? Now, I can't help but wonder, for those of you out there using GitHub, what feature do you find most transformative in your daily work? Is it the collaborative aspects, or perhaps the automation tools? Another exciting part of GitHub is code spaces. It allows developers to spin up instant dev environments in the cloud. This means you can jump into coding without the hassle of local setup. Can you imagine how liberating that must feel? Whether you're working from home or traveling, you can code from anywhere. Now, as we wrap up today's episode, let's take a moment to reflect on the power of collaborative tools like GitHub. They not only make coding more efficient, but also unite communities of developers, ensuring that everyone can contribute and learn from one another. So I encourage you all to explore some of these features on GitHub if you haven't already. Dive into the world of open source, sponsor a developer, or even start your own project. The possibilities are endless. Thanks for tuning in to Podcast Name. I loved sharing these insights with you today, and I hope you found them as fascinating as I did. Until next time, keep coding, keep collaborating, and keep innovating.